Come test drive 2017 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, navigation system, heads-up display, HD radio. Come take a test drive today.